Sidra here from Tech Trends. Today I have come up with another video. I will review Galaxy Book 2 360. Galaxy Book 2 360 is a very thin and light laptop. Its weight is about 1.16 kg. You can easily carry it anywhere you want. Keyboard area is quite flexible. At the bottom, there are holes for thermal management along with the speaker grills. Small cutout at the bottom of the lid make it easy to open the lid one-handed. I am also a fan of the black color, which looks very professional of course. This is also one of my favorite laptops due to the port selection. On the left, you will get full-size HDMI port. There is also a USB Type-C port and a Thunderbolt 4 port. On the right, you have USB Type-A port, a 3.5mm headphone jack and a microcard SD reader. For wireless connectivity, you have Bluetooth 5.1 and Wi-Fi 6E. The laptop gets an AMOLED 13.3 inches 1080p touchscreen display in a 16:9 aspect ratio. It's really good to have an AMOLED display on the laptop. You can turn it around and use it like a tablet. It has a peak brightness of 500 nits, which make it very usable in outdoor situations too. Touchscreen is really nice, and using it to navigate in a laptop mode becomes second nature when you get used to it. You can also purchase S Pen for this laptop, which can be used for writing and drawing apps. S Pen also magnetically attached to the top of the lid. It has two bottom speakers and support Dolby Atmos. Galaxy Book 2 360 runs Windows 11. Samsung also have included some of its own software which you can control through Samsung settings menu. There are other features like Bluetooth Sync, which will automatically add old devices paired to your laptop so you don't have to repair them again. Galaxy Book 2 360 is powered by Intel Core i7-1255U processor. It has 2 performance cores and 8 efficiency cores. Accompanying with this is fixed 16GB DDR4X RAM, making sure that you have no problem even by doing heavy multitasking on this laptop. Samsung has put in 61.1 Wh battery in Galaxy Book 2 360, which should last up to 8 to 10 hours. This is excellent battery life. You can charge it quickly with 65-watt charger. If you are looking for a premium ultrabook for your daily work, Galaxy Book 2 360 is surely a good choice.